Security Manager. Under the Security Manager, you can configure a device to enter kiosk mode, lock status, force login, or remove devices altogether by selecting the Deprovision button. When kiosk mode is enabled, the user's device will become limited to the applications and networks predetermined in the enterprise's content strategy. Lock status will remotely lock down the device in case the device is stolen or lost. When force login is enabled, this will force a user to always have to log in to their MDM account on their device whenever it is turned on. For kiosk mode to be disabled, the user's device must be connected to the internet. In an instance when the device is not connected to the internet, an admin can share the kiosk PIN with the user to unlock kiosk mode on their device.